is Melody. My microgrant project, is a neighborhood clothing swap event, and I am 28 years old. What inspired me to be part of this project is its dedication to helping young people help other young people. I think young people are best in knowing how to reach each other. And so I think it is a really great initiative to help the community and be hands-on involved in the process. So my project is to host 3 clothing swaps in 3 different colleges or universities in the Greater Toronto area. The reason that we're doing a clothing swap is because we noticed that a lot of young people are having a hard time financially right now with buying their needs or meeting their needs. And so one of those is with clothing. And so rather than encouraging people to buy new, we discovered that a lot of people have stuff in their closet that they don't use, and somebody else may really appreciate that as being part of a over-consuming society. And so the project is bringing that event to different schools so that different students get to bring their clothes and take what somebody else may not like anymore, but is still in great condition and can help students in their times of need. This project has helped a lot in financing the events to make them more than just swapping clothes, but being able to provide people food, being able to provide people, some sort of relief if they're in need in that moment. So I think this project or this funding has been so helpful in that instance. I think one big takeaway is project organization. I think running or trying to manage a big project can be a lot of work, and so it's great to learn different tools, techniques, softwares, skill sets in order to be a better person, better knowledgeable, in order to have really great events that cater to people better. I would tell other youth to participate. I think it's a great way to be pushed to make a difference in the community rather than just talking about some of the issues, being actively involved in bringing a solution. That's what this thing is really great about.